Hello viewers, welcome to Philo Hope. With Aurore Mimosa Munyangaju. The cabinet meeting held on Friday, October 18th, 2024, chaired by President Paul Kagame, appointed Aurore Mimosa Munyangaju, former Minister of Sports, as Rwanda's ambassador to the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg. What does her childhood look like? Mimosa was born abroad due to the country's history of poor leadership subjected by socio-political issues. Nonetheless, she used to pay a visit to her grandma who was in Rwanda. She was passionate about sport. She was raised in a sport-loving family. Besides her siblings, her parents were also great sport fans to the extent of competing in a heated argument. Her education background. She holds a diploma in English language from the National University of Rwanda. She also graduated from Maastricht School of Management in Maastricht, the Netherlands, with a Master of Business Administration majoring in Project Management. Her professional career. She has an extensive professional experience both in public and private sector. She is currently serving as Rwanda's ambassador to the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg since October 2024. Prior to this appointment, she served as Minister of Sports from November 2019 to September 2024. She's been the Chief Executive Officer of Sonarwa Life Assurance Company Limited from November 2017 to November 2019. She's been a board member of Copedu. Copedu is a microfinance institution that offers savings and credit services in the Rwandan financial sector. She's been a CEO of African Alliance Rwanda from October 2016 to November 2017. African Alliance is an investment banking group operating in Africa. African Alliance provides local and on-the-ground investment banking services across the African continent. She's been trading operations manager at the East Africa Exchange from May 2013 to October 2016. The East Africa Exchange is a regional commodity exchange. She's been Deputy General Manager at Continental Discount House from January 2011 to May 2012. A discount house is a money dealer committed in the buying and discounting financial products such as money markets, government papers like bonds and T-bill, and bankers' acceptances. She's been head of treasury at Cogebanque from March 2007 to October 2007. She's been Deputy Treasurer at Ecobank Transnational Incorporated from January 1999 to February 2007. Had she ever dreamed becoming a minister? Mimosa never thought she could serve her country as a minister, given the fact that her professional background was in private sector prior to her appointment in public sector. Her passion, her hobbies. She's passionate about sport activities since her childhood. She's a sports person. She used to ride bicycles. She's a basketball player and a great fan. She plays tennis, among others. She used to leave her vehicle behind and ride a bicycle to work while she was serving as Minister of Sports to keep herself physically fit and at the same time save the environment from air pollution. This was indeed a commendable act of conscience. She likes spending time with her family. She likes socializing with people, hanging out with friends and acquaintances. She has an outgoing personality. She is friendly. She is energetic. She is ambitious. Her family. Who is Mimosa's husband? She is married to Eric Barahira, a seasoned lawyer with whom they have 3 beautiful children, 2 boys and a girl. We opted not to show their faces. It is a sport-loving family. They are all athletes. They play sports together as a family from time to time. Eric is a managing partner at Legal Link Chambers. He holds a bachelor degree in law from National University of Rwanda from May 1995 to September 2000. He holds a master's degree in taxation from INES. He also has a postgraduate diploma in law, which he obtained in 2014. Eric is also an athlete. He likes hiking as part of his preferred sport activities. Thank you all for watching Philo Hope. Please subscribe to our channel for more info and podcasts like this. Don't forget to hit like and share. Stay tuned.